Two very young children remain hospitalized at Children's Hospital tonight after getting the measles when they were out of state. The state health department confirmed that they were not vaccinated against the virus.
It's a virus that puts 1/5 of people infected in the hospital with severe complications. Medical reporter Meg Ferris explains why Louisiana is seeing its first cases in 6 years.
Doctor after doctor we spoke with says measles should be taken seriously.
It can be very serious and fatal in people who aren't vaccinated.
Measles is a very serious disease. We talk about COVID being contagious. Measles is much more contagious than COVID-19.
Children were dying of pneumonia when I was a child. I have one patient in my practice today who had measles in the 50s and is almost deaf as a result of it. I mean, measles is a terrible disease. And to think that we've got a vaccine that is, in my opinion, essentially 100% protective, it's just tragic not to use it.
And that's the main message from physicians. The 2-dose childhood vaccine given at 1 and 4 years of age can prevent the brain damage and even birth defects if a pregnant woman catches the virus. But vaccine rates are going down.
What we've seen, unfortunately, because of all of the misinformation around vaccines with COVID, is that people who might have gotten their child those regular childhood vaccines now are hesitant to do that.
In 2021, state health records show only 75 to 84% of 2-year-olds in southeast Louisiana have had their first dose of the measles vaccine.
And it takes a 95% immunization rate to keep these little outbreaks of measles from developing.
So all these things are part of a disease that is easily preventable if we get vaccinated, because once you get this disease, all we can do is give you supportive care because there really is no cure for the measles.
And if you've been vaccinated, the doctors say there's no concern.
There is no greater danger to anyone or any setting in the New Orleans area, but you know, I have to hand it to the Louisiana Department of Health. Their contact tracers are phenomenal, and so are actively working to make sure that anyone that may have been exposed is being notified.
Meg Ferris, WWL, Louisiana.
Should be no or only a very small cost to get measles vaccines at any community or school clinic or any pediatrician's office. There are also free vaccines from the shot bus. We have the schedule of where the mobile vaccine unit will be on WWLTV.com with this story. Adults who were vaccinated as children do not need a booster.